Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today we are back with a new tech which is about Bluetooth receiver. So if you have any speaker that doesn't support Bluetooth, this will solve your problem. So let's go ahead and I show you tips how to use this Bluetooth receiver. It's a small gadget that you can take anywhere. Let's go ahead. So guys, this is the packaging. It comes with in this plastic. The packaging is just small. It comes with a pin to pin. This is the aux pin. It's called pin to pin. Then the Bluetooth receiver is made of USB this side and a 3.5mm jack this side. So to use it, you have to supply it with power on this side. Either you can put it in TV, this side, it can also supply it, or anywhere, any device that supplies 5 volts, or any charger, you can use your charger, you plug this one in. So let's go ahead, let me connect it to a speaker, then you'll see how to use it. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to connect it, the real practical. So I'm going to first show you what you need to connect this one. You will need a speaker. This is the speaker that I have. It doesn't support Bluetooth. You have to first supply it with power. Then you will need this charger to supply Bluetooth with power. This is the Bluetooth receiver. So you need this one. Supply it with power. You can put it in TV also, it can also work if the TV is near the speaker. So after you plug this one into power, once you do that one, you will need also this. This is aux extender, it's aux pin extender. This side it's a aux or pin, this side it's a female pin, so it can extend. What you need to do, you will plug this one into the Bluetooth, then at this side you will need banana pin. These are the banana pin. One side is pinny, then another side it's banana pin. Plug this one into this female pin. Then at this side you need to plug these ones into your speaker. Sometimes you might find your speaker is supporting pin to pin, so you can use aux. If your speaker is supporting this, you can use the one which has pin to pin. If you have not understood anything, you can just leave a comment, then I can as well explain to you. So let me plug this one into my speaker. So once you plug that one into your speaker, you will need to go to your device. This is my device. Then go into the settings. Now Bluetooth settings, search for this Bluetooth. It will show you the name here. The name is called BT165 connected. So once it has connected, you can see here BT connected. Let me remove this one. So here my BT165 is connected. So let's go ahead and play some music here. So now Let me first change the output here. You know, iPhone can support the speaker, so change this one to BT if you're using iPhone, but if you're using Android, it can automatically send music direct. So let me go ahead and play now. So guys, to show you that this is the Bluetooth that it is supporting, that is supporting the music. You can, let me plug off this one. You see, it's the one that's supporting this. Even if I increase here volume and I plug, you see. So that is the simple steps that you can take to connect this Bluetooth. And if you have any speaker, you can use it as well to play via your phone. Or for example, you have an amplifier, you can use that one as well to connect all these things to play the music. So guys, please leave your comments if you have anything that you would like me to highlight you on. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.